Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about the second part of the simple call center, which is related to tech support calls. Before we talked about the call arrivals and we finished that. It would look like this. That's what it would look like. And at the very end we stopped with the decide module, which would determine the call type. The call type could be either order status call, technical call, or sales call. So that's where we left off from last time. Now, so in this tech support calls, it is kind of similar to the previous one. We are going to again have assign module, which is going to change the entity type and entity picture. We are going to assign entity type as tech1 because we want to separate it from the other entity types. So we are going to give a new name. And an entity picture is just for animation purposes. And then here we are going to have the store delay unstore for recording as well, as we did before. It's just for animation purposes. And then because the call will be recorded at first, so that's where it is, where we use the store delay unstore. And afterwards we are going to have a decide module. The decide module is for determining the product type, because in technical department there are 3 products. It's product type 1, product type 2, product type 3. So with this decide module we would know which product type the customer is interested into and talk about, so get the technical help about. So that's why we have this decide module. And then afterwards, after the decision, then the call would be directed to a process module. In that process module, the call will be answered. Okay. And then afterwards, so in process module, we have seize, delay, release again. Each time tech1 is going to be, or entity type which is tech1 is going to seize 1 unit. Okay. And then it's going to take time minutes to process, and then afterwards exit the system. Okay, that's all we are going to do in this video. Okay, so let's start with an assign module. So we take an assign module. Okay. The first one, so this determine call type is the tech one, so I'm going to connect this assign to that, because after the decision is made, the call goes to technical support department. Then we have an assign module which is going to assign. Okay, let's see, take call entity type. Take call entity type and picture. Okay, add that, and then it's not a variable, this is the entity type, and we are going to give it a new name which is tech1. Our entity type is tech1, and click OK. Oh, and there's a mistake, sorry. Entity type is tech call. I'm so sorry. Okay, I did this twice. And okay, and then add another, which is the entity picture, and we are going to choose a picture that's going to differentiate this from others also, and useful for the animation. So I chose the yellow color, yellow ball. Okay, click OK. So we have the assign, and then afterwards we have call recording. For call recording to be seen clearly, to be observed clearly in the animation, we have the store delay and unstore series. So I'm going to take this store here and then I'm gonna take the delay, and I'm gonna take the unstore. Okay. Okay, for this, so this is a store for take call recording delay. Okay, and type is storage, and the name is the name of it be take call recording delay. Take call recording delay. Okay. And then afterwards we have this delay, which is unstore actually. So this is store. We have the unstore. Unstore. From unstore from. This is gonna be from take call recording delay. Okay. So allocation. Sorry about that. This is gonna be delay. Okay, I want to make sure that the names are not gonna get mixed up. So allocation is other, units is gonna be in terms of minutes, and the delay time is uniformly. And we have 01 and then 05. 05 and click OK. There's a mistake somewhere, just a sec. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because I have to go to delays. Okay, I have to erase this initial one. Okay, oh, just a sec. Where's that? Initial recording. Okay, take, I should say. I didn't. Did I not say that? Initial recording. Okay. Okay, let's see. Gonna give a name, right? Okay. So the delay is take call recording delay. Okay, take call recording delay. Isn't that good? Take call recording delay. Other. Why? What is this? This is on store. Okay, why is it giving any error? I have no idea. Okay, that's true. And now for this, where is it? Okay. Caps lock uniform 01, 05. Okay, and this is gonna be in terms of minutes. Okay. So why is it giving me an error here? Take call recording delay. Okay, it shouldn't. Okay, we'll fix it anyways. Okay, because of that. Go to delay. Okay, initial recording delay is fine. Is there any other here? No. Why is it giving me a problem? Okay, that's fine. And then unstore. And unstore I have only one. That's fine. Okay. So unstore from take call. Recording delay. Recording delay. Okay. Okay, the default is fine. Okay. Still yellow. Somewhere there's a problem. Okay, no. Let's see, maybe here somewhere. Huh. Okay. The name is here. Let's see. I think there's a problem here. Delay storage. Okay, we forgot to write storage here. Okay. Now it should be okay. Yes. It's okay. So sometimes the names repeats and it's a big error. Okay, afterwards, so we have onStore. Then we are going to have another decide module. The decide module is gonna come from basic statistics. Decide module, okay? And this decide module is going to determine the product type, okay? Determine product type. Product type. There are 3 types. Okay, so this is n-way by chance because 25% of the time it is that, 34% of the time product 2 type, and the rest is product 3 type. So I'm going to click OK. So once we determine the product type, then they are going to be processed. So we are going to have 3 processes here, but I want to put one process and then duplicate it afterwards. Okay, so I want to process product type 1, product type 1, and product type 1 take call. Okay, it's gonna be standard, and then there's CSLay release, and I'm gonna add the resource. Okay, the resource type. The resource type is gonna be take 1, right? So now we are gonna have the resource defined as take 1, technician 1, that sort, and it's gonna seize only one caller. Okay, so, and it's delay type is in expiration, which is the take time we defined before. So just take time, and it's in terms of minutes, and click OK. So I'm going to duplicate it 2 times. So I'm going to have, I have this, I should erase that to this left. Okay. I had to redo this twice because I realized that it didn't record. It's recording now. Yeah, it seems it's recording. Because if I don't check, then after I finish, I may end up with not recorded, which was the case a couple of minutes ago. So I check now, it's recording, hopefully, fortunately. Okay, so I'm going to not add, but edit this, and the resource is going to be another technical person, tech2, which is helping the product type 2. Okay, and it's going to be expiration, but it's going to take the same amount of time. Therefore I have the take time here. In terms of minutes, everything looks fine. Okay, here I'm going to change this to type 3, and I'm going to just edit this to type 3, I mean tech 3, because technician 3 is going to help, and the delay time is going to be the same. So I'm going to just click OK. Now I want to connect this to this. I'm going to connect this to this. Okay, and then I'm going to connect this to the product type 3. Okay, I hope there's no typo mistake. And that's the end of it. That's the end of that part 2, and we will continue afterwards with part 3.